go. There it is right there. I got the trees in the way. That is the funnel cloud. Right there it is. Coming down. It's coming down. Yep, it's getting to that point. I can't tell which way it's moving. That tree's getting in the way. There it is right there. Man, there's a hell. It's coming down. God dang, we're close to it. Holy crap. Oh crap, it just hooked out. It just hooked out. It's behind that mountain. It's going that way. We go this way, we'll avoid it. That's it right there, though. That's the tornado. That's the tornado, baby. It's coming over that mountain. Come on, come on, come on. There's all the hell and stuff. It's coming this way, but it's coming over that mountain first. We just gotta stay out of its way. Come on, baby. Oh crap, that don't look good. That don't look good. Come on, Brooke. I think we're going right in this path. I think we're going right in this path. I think it's moving with us. Oh man, that goes big time, dude. Okay, there it is. There's the way back up. Yeah, I think it's going behind us, the opposite direction. Oh, you think it's going the same direction we're going in? Look at that massive. Oh my God. It hasn't. It's gone 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Oh my God, this is unbelievable. This is unbelievable.
Going up. Going up or going down?
I can't tell. It's going.
I see it spinning.
I see it spinning too.
Holy shit, we're like fucking close.
We're right underneath it.
Holy shit. Look at it.
What about you tornado in the beer truck, baby? Oh my God, dude.
Look at it.
Look at it, hooking. It's hooking.
Oh, yeah,
it's trying to get down. That low pressure is breaking up.
I think it's broke.
Yeah, but that thing's gonna touch the ground once it gets over. We just gotta get on this side of this mountain.
How cold it is?
It's freezing outside.
We're right over.
I can't. Man, see that lightning? God dang. Man, this thing got like a light on it.
Oh, they're fucking debris and shit.
I see it falling. Holy crap, I see it falling, yeah. They got into something. I told you it touched down somewhere. I see it falling. Holy crap.
On the ground, baby. Can you get that?
I'm trying to, but hey, it's kind of dark on this thing.
Well, I got the brightness turned down. No, I turned the brightness down.
Yeah. Hey. Yeah.
Beer truck, let me in.